You've heard of the jungle bird, now meet its elegant cousin. This is the bird of paradise, a blend of tropical rums, Campari, pineapple liqueur served straight up. The jungle bird is a modern tiki cocktail back from the 70s with a bold mix of pineapple, Campari, and aged rum. But this version is lighter, leaner, and a bit more refined from the original. I call it the bird of paradise. It's a mix of tropical rum, Falernum, pineapple liqueur, Campari, a bit of aromatic bitters. You don't have to use a blend of three rums. You can just use one. Let's say Havana 7 years. This one will do perfect. But because I have three, I just wanted to see how they will all blend together. Here's what you will need. Pineapple rum, 0.5 ounce. Jamaican dark rum, 0.5 ounce. Havana 7 years old, half an ounce. Pineapple liqueur, 3/4 of an ounce. Campari, 0.5 ounce. Falernum, half an ounce. Lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce. 2 dash aromatic bitters. Saline, 2 drops. Hand flavor ice. And shake it. Shake till it's nice and cold. Chilled coupe. And some pineapple leaves, fronds for the decor. Here it is, the birds of paradise. Cheers. It's yummy. You get the tropical notes up front, rum, pineapple, but it finishes with Campari and Falernum spiced notes. It's refreshing, complex, and a bit mysterious. Just like that elegant cousin. Cheers, see you next week.